welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a 99 cents slime. Well, it's not 99 cents, but it was 8 cents. So I hope that counts. Well, as you can see, I'm in the car, so sorry if you hear background noises. I'm in the car right now. And just give this product a review. So I roll a table right there. And I'm just gonna set that so you can see right here. Don't know if you can see it, but let me try to angle the camera. You can see it. Oh shoot. You can't see it. There, you can only. Okay. This is a little bit better. So let's just get this like. Oh no. Okay, whatever. We'll just use this IKEA thing. Oh God, the things. Sorry about how long this is taking, guys. I just really have to get that perfect angle. Oh. This is way better. Damn. So here it is. Don't know if you can see it right there, but oh God, it's way too close. There's the face. Let me just put it a little bit further. And now you can see it a little bit further, but let me just show it to you. Oh God. Okay. Let me just show it to you like this. So as you can see, there it is. Try poking it right here so you can hear better. Here, let me angle it where you can see it. You can't exactly see it, but yeah, let's just try to do a bubble now. So I think this is clear slime because it has so many bubbles and it is fogging up right there. So I think this is clear slime, and you can clearly, no pun intended, clearly see through it. As you can see, you can clearly tell what that is. And if you can't, that's probably because of the camera, because I just looked back and I can clearly see what it is. So, yeah. If you see any house numbers back there, I'm probably gonna blur those out because I don't want you to come to my house and find me. So, yeah. Just this little bubble thing. And just try to make it a little bigger. Oh no, okay, whatever. So I'm putting it so close to the camera, but that is where my little microphone is, so you guys can hear me. Just dance. Oh my God, my camera just fell. Oh my God. Okay. So let's just get this a little bit. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Let's just push it like that and see there's like a little bit of bubbles. Barely anything. Just that little bubble right there. So let's just squishy. Let's just put this back in the container. And I would not rate it at 10 out of 10, but I would also not rate it under an 8. I mean under a 5. So I say this is a 7 because of the cute little container, and the quality is not that good, but it is pretty pokeable and really good price for this one. So I would say for me it's a buy it. So if you guys want to see more things like this where honest review, and I will say buy it, get it, buy it, don't buy it, or never get it at all. So those are the three choices, and I decided to you can buy it. Don't get it if you don't want it. Just buy it if you want it. Because I really only picked it because of the cute little container, and I could use this for like money and stuff. And yeah, and the color, I don't think I could ever make this color because every time I try to make red, it turns like pink, but never some pink. It always turns like really dark pink. So if you guys can make this color slime, tag me in my Musical.ly or Snapchat.